Good morning, everyone. In fact, today I'm going to discuss about selling. The selling which I'm going to focus on is there are two types of selling. One is consultative selling, the other one is transactional selling. So let's understand the difference between the two first. The transactional selling is basically one-time selling where there is no relationship required. In transactional selling, people don't try to understand the need of the customer. Whatever the customer asks, the salesperson just gives him the product and it's over. In consultative selling, which is nowadays is one of the most important way of uh, selling, where a salesperson becomes an advisor. An advisor who is supposed to advise as per the need of the customer. The customers nowadays look for somebody who can suggest as per their needs and requirements. What a salesperson is supposed to do, what an advisor is supposed to do. He's supposed to understand the need of the customer first. And what they should do is they should do a goal-based selling instead of pushing a product. What they need to do is understand the need of the customer. For understanding the need of the customer and for making the customer speak about his needs, what he needs to do is he needs to build a relationship. And for building the relationship, the most important thing is the credibility of the salesperson. The credibility is very important, and this creates a lot of trust in customer, so that the customer opens up and speaks about his needs, about his goals, about his aspirations, and what he wants to achieve in his life or achieve in his financial goals. There are various goals and there are various products to cater to it. What a customer and one of the best thing about need-based selling is when you understand the importance of his needs and understand in detail his needs, then only you can suggest a product or a combination of 2 or 3 products. Because nowadays from product-based selling, it has become a solution-based selling, where you understand the need of the customer, his goals, his aspiration, and as per that, you can make a combination also and suggest him a tailor-made product. And for this suggesting a tailor-made product, what you need to have that trust. After understanding his need, the customer and the salesperson or the advisor, both of them co-create a solution. So co-creating a solution is very important, because then only you will be able to have a satisfied customer in front of you. Now why it is important to sell as per the need of the customer? Because it builds your credibility, and in turn you can make a relationship. You can develop a relationship of caring and sharing, where you take care of the needs of the customer. You just don't need to push a product. What you need to do is give him a solution and make him happy. I'll give you an example of one of transactional selling, the other way of consultative selling. In transaction selling, since suppose you have a prescription from a doctor, you take it to a medicine shop or the pharmacist. What he does is he does not advise you anything. What he do is he will just go through the list of the medicines prescribed and gives you the medicine. And there is no consultative selling. This is one approach where he just gives you as per the prescription, but he does not suggest anything. The second is where the transactional selling is, where customer need is not important. What is important is giving a product, selling him a product, maybe pushing a product to the customer. It may not be as per his needs, but in consultative selling, when you go to a doctor, what doctor tries to do is he tries to understand about your health, he tries to understand what all problems we are facing. And based on that, and after understanding your lifestyle, he suggests you medicines. He suggests you medicines, and as per the year, now you are no more a customer for the doctor, you become a client. And whenever you face a problem, just because you trust him and you have benefited from his solutions, his medicines, you'll go back to him, and in turn you develop a relationship. And while knowing all those things, what you need to do is asking powerful questions, building credibility, giving him a solution, or answer all his objections, or tackle all his objections, or negotiate all his objections, and sell your product or sell the solution. So later on, all these points will be covered in my next session. Thank you.